guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adore My Curls here with the skin. Get into it. But anyway, we're not here for that. We were here for the hair. As you can see, it don't look that bad on camera, but it's looking dry in person. And also a little disclaimer, if you hear banging in the background, I'm sorry. Sorry in advance. So today, I'm just going to be showing you guys how my routine of how I moisturize my hair. These are about, what, a couple days old, these curls right here. And I just have this thing in. But I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using to moisturize it up, okay? They don't look bad, but... Okay, so what you guys will need is a spray bottle, and it has warm water in it. My leave-in that I'm using is the Jane Carter's Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In Conditioner. It's so bomb. So I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner in the water because it makes it so much easier. So it'll look like this. Alright, now I'm gonna use the oil. My oil of choice will be the Melanin multi-use pure oil blend right here. And then the cream that I'll be using is my BodyWorks natural curl defining cream right here, Tangle, Tamer. I bought it in my video. You'll see it. It's in the video. Come shop with me what I got. So first I'm just gonna let my hair down. And this is a scrunchie that I got from Walmart. It's like the extra scrunchy one. So I just use it as a headband. So you see what my curls been out for a minute. So first I'm gonna section my hair off. I like to do it down the middle because it's just easier. Ooh, honey. We gotta spray a little water before we do that because it's Tangle. Alright, now that we sprayed a little water, we're gonna try this again. And separate my hair. Ooh, honey. Alright, I'm gonna try to get it as much as I can. Use this hair tie. And then we're gonna section our hair again. Like this. Alright, and a small one. We just wanna make a lot of sections. And then I'm gonna section this side. I'm just get my water bottle and spritz my hair. Now we want to put a lot. You want to put a lot, enough to detangle our hair. And my hair is tangled after that little session I did, picking it out. And I've been working out and stuff like that. Tamer Max. I haven't used it yet, so we're about to see how good it works because people say this brush is good. Okay. Oh wow, this is easy. Oh wow, guys, my hair is just gliding through. This is great. Oh my god, this is so good. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. My hair is just gliding through, guys. Oh my god. This is so amazing. Look at this. And look at the curls. Oh my god. Why didn't I purchase this sooner? Like, look at this. Oh my god, I love it. This. I'm just putting a little oil in my hands. That's bomb. Oh my god. Do you want to see it again? I want to see it again. Oh. LOC. Leave-in oil or cream. Or you can do liquid. So you can do water, oil, and cream. I just mixed my leave-in with my water. And look at that. It looks nice and moisturized. Alright guys, so I'm done. This is what my hair's looking like. Thoughts on this brush right here. See, look, it doesn't even have a lot of hair in here. And I really like it. Like, I wouldn't say my hair is that tangled, but like, and I picked out my hair and everything. And this is, I'm about to show you guys how much hair I lost. How much hair I lost. Not bad. That's actually really good. So like I said, I really like this brush. The only thing I don't like is the handle. It's too short. But other than that, I really do like the brush. It's easy to detangle, and it also enhances your curls too. So that's a plus. Okay, so it's the next day. So my hair's looking like moisturized. As you can see, it's really, the shrinkage is real because look at these. Look how juicy my twists are too. Like, my twists haven't really been this juicy before, but oil on because I do not want my hair to frizz while I'm taking them down. You know, less frizz, less possible. So look at that. Ooh, nice. I'm just gonna separate it. you want to separate and not cause that much frizz, but honestly my hair frizzes up regardless, so it's just gonna be what it is. Alright guys, this is my hair. Me just separating the curls and taking them out. I haven't even fluffed it out yet. This is what it's looking like. I'll show you guys the side. Other side. Let's say thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. But yes, peace.